To the last video in the digital marketing case study, we have seen the data set used in digital marketing case study here, and we have taken the quick notes on the data set. Then we have seen some key terms for the digital marketing campaign such as impression, click, prospects, leads, payment, cost, click-through rate, cost per click, average order value, return on investment, return on ad spend, etc. So now we will see the formulas that we have been using while creating these KPIs. So first is the click-through rate. So the click-through rate formula that we will be using is click divided by impression into 100. Click-through rate, as we already know, it represents the effectiveness of our ad or content in terms of how often user click on it after seeing it. So this is the click-through rate. Now we will see that return on ad spend. Return on ad spend has formula as payment divided by cost. So it indicates the return on investment from advertising. It represents that how much revenue payment that we have generated for every dollar spent on advertisement. Now we will see the conversion rate. The conversion rate formula is prospects divided by click into 100. It shows the percentage of users who take a desired action after clicking on your ad or content. It measures how effective our content is at driving conversions. So this is our conversion rate. Now we will see the cost per click. So cost per click is very simple as cost divided by clicks. It represents the average cost that we have paid for each click on our ad or content. It helps in access the efficiency of our advertisement budget. So now we will see the cost per prospects. So cost per prospect is also a simple formula, that is cost divided by prospects. So the meaning of this formula is that it calculates the average cost incurred to acquire each prospect. It provides the insight into the cost effectiveness of our marketing efforts. Now the next formula, that is average order value. So the formula for average order value is payment divided by leads. It shows the average value of order generated by our leads because it is important to understand the revenue generated from your lead generation efforts. Now, the seventh formula that we will be using is the return on investment. So the return on investment is the payment minus cost, that's our profit divided by the cost. So it shows the profit of our marketing campaign by comparing the revenue generated to the cost incurred. So this is our return on investment and it is shown in the percentage basis. Now the cost per conversion. Cost per conversion is equivalent to cost divided by lead plus prospects. This matrix evaluates the average cost for each conversion considering both leads and prospects. So it shows the efficiency of our marketing efforts in driving the conversion. Now in the next video, we will import the dataset into the Google Data Studio and will create these KPIs. So till then, keep learning.